We're playing against a super grandmaster, guys. Hold on. He's playing preparation. He doesn't understand that he's playing against the great feeder master of Jamaica. And he goes for the needle. I'm going to play h3. Alright, let's go knight e2. Let's see if he actually knows what he's doing. Oh my god, he's playing so fast. He's playing so fast. Let's go a3. Just to stop the b4 push. We are playing a oh my flipping. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna calm down. Let's protect the pawn. I'm playing against a super grandmaster, guys. Oh my god. Or is it actually the reverse? Is Nepo actually getting the chance to play against my greatness? We now have knight to f5 here. And he's now pausing. Is he gonna take? I have a little trick, with bishop f3, get some things off the board. Nepo has never yet seen this in his entire life before. We are now beating him to sickness. Knight to f5. Oh my god, man. Wait, we have a super GM, guys. Thinking. Think about that, guys. Think about it. We have a super grandmaster thinking. Alright. No, we are no, I've already won the match. I have already won this match, guys. Look at this. He's paralyzed. Absolutely paralyzed. Oh my word. Oh wait, he actually takes it. Alright, let's capture. And then we hit him with the powerful bishop to f3. We call this a pin, guys. I just covered a video on this. Again, bishop f3, bishop takes f5, bishop takes here. Practice your visualization. And we have the super grandmaster thinking for the second time for this entire match. Paralyzed, I'm telling you guys. Absolute. Oh, he takes it. Alright, let us now recapture. I have some light squares. Only some. You know what? It's a 5-minute game. Why am I even playing so fast? Let's just take our time and beat this man to sickness. I can actually try to play my queen to c6. Not even try. I'm going for it. We have to attack this man. So queen to c6. We're hitting the pawn on d6. I'm going to castle my king. Everything is looking perfect. I'm down a pawn, but that's short-lived. Nepo knows that he cannot hold on to a pawn against my greatness. So he goes now q to c8. Alright, so he's willing to give me back the pawn, but at the cost of taking more pawns. But he will not be able to castle. Me, the great feeder master of Jamaica, is making sure that let me just double calculate this. Yeah. Alright, yes, me, the feeder master of Jamaica, is making sure that a grandmaster can't castle. Let us teach him what he cannot do. Oh wait, he goes q to c5. Wait, there is more, guys, there is more. Let me go q back to d1. He can't castle because of his knight. If he castles, his knight is still dead, guys. I am outplaying a grandmaster. Sorry, super grandmaster with my super strength. Q to d1 on the board, guys. This man is regretting playing Title Tuesday. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Q to d1 on the board, and also have like moves like q to g4 coming in. So he now tries to protect his knight, but there is nothing here. Hold on. Can I go a bit? No, this one is dead. He might still castle. Wait. Let's do some math. Here, castles, takes, or rook c1. Doesn't matter. Let's just go there. Bishop to g5, guys. I cannot believe it. The super grandmaster is struggling to castle. You know what? Intermezzo. Rook to c1. Alright, he might castle, guys. He might castle. Oh. Ay. Alright, wait. Do I have more tempo moves? Jesus Christ. I am actually playing against Nepomniachtchi. Gee. World Championship Challenger. Hold on. Come on, Raheem. Find the aura. People fear you. It's never the reverse. Let's go what? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to find moves here. I can't allow the super grandmaster to castle, Castling is extremely important at my level. But what to play? Let's just bring our bishop back. He's gonna like blitz castles. I didn't want him to castle though. He doesn't castle. What a brave soldier. A very brave soldier. Let's get our queen off the same line as this man's rook. Is he gonna castle now? I cannot believe it. I have a super grandmaster afraid to castle against my greatness. We have. Oh my god, you know what? Don't mess this up. Don't mess this up. Alright. Q to F4. Threatening some infiltration in the future if I want. Rook to C7 incoming. Rook to D1 incoming. I have all pieces ready to be active, guys. Man, Ian Nepomniachtchi. As a matter of fact, you know, I could be the next Magnus Carlsen coming up. Wait, knight F8? This man does not believe in castling. Oh my god, I have frightened him too much. Rook C7 infiltration. Or for a trade. For the trader. Masterclass. He only has 2 active pieces. Let's get one off the board. Teach him how to develop his pieces. Rook to D1. He takes. Let's capture. I have 1, 2, 3 active pieces, guys. This man is playing a game with... Wait, what? Check. King here. Can I actually draw with this? No, as a matter of fact, what kind of draw am I talking about? I am the better player. Let us go. If I go, oh my god. Wait, let's go check first. Let's go check. King here, queen check again. It's gonna go knight blocks. Breathe. Let's try QC7, let's go QB5. I'm gonna go bishop here and this. I don't want any rook to see it to come in. I can't mess this up, guys. I have the great... Wait. I'm not talking about that scale, guys. That's the pin. Put pressure on the pin piece. We have 43 seconds, but hold on. I actually have Nepomniachtchi on the ropes, guys. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Wait, guys. Nepo is doomed. He pushes the pawn. He begs for mercy, but there's no mercy. There is no mercy, guys. The pin is there. What? I'm winning against Nepomniachtchi. I can't believe this. Wait. Let's just protect everything, you know. Let us just protect everything. Oh my god. I am winning against Nepo. The great feeder master, is winning against Nepo. Swat the king up. He's in Zugzwangish, you know. Jesus Christ, have mercy. Let's take this. Why did I take that? Let's get everything off the board. Oh my god, I messed up. Did I mess up? I have 11 seconds. Let's just take it. Alright. Guys, I had this one. I don't know what happened, but I had this one. Oh my god, man. Nepo. Poor Nepo. Alright, he got away. Subscribe for more videos like this, guys.